Assalamualaikum students. How are you all, dear students? Hope you all are well. I'm your English teacher for class 1 from IYS school. Today I'll make you understand present tense along with its activities. Before starting the topic, I'm giving you some instructions, so kindly listen it very carefully. I request everyone to keep book, pencil and notebook with you. If you want to ask any question, you can ask at the end by raising hand. Whatever you will get as home task, all work will be done in fair copy. The course which you have got by the school, in you must have English midterm copy. In English midterm copy, you have to do all work which we will do today. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture due to power breakdown, so you are not supposed to leave the meeting. You should try to join again after 5 or 10 minutes. I'm repeating to students, if there is any disconnectivity during lecture due to power breakdown, so you are not supposed to leave the meeting. You should try to join after 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, students, don't raise your hands. I told you that I'll let you know your answers after the end of the lecture. Okay, students, let's start the topic. We use verbs in the simple present tense when we talk about something we do all the time. Simple present tense. Today, our topic is simple present tense. Okay, students? Simple present tense. We use verbs in the simple present tense when we talk about something we do all the time. Let's have a look the page number in your notebook. Okay, this activities is been given in your notebook, so you can see your notebook, course book. Okay, let's have a look the page number 20. Okay, page number 20 in your course book. I'm repeating course book. Today our topic is present tense. Present tense. What is present tense? Present tense when we talk about something we do all time. Okay, I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. Here you are some examples. I walk to school every day. The word which is written in the red color is simple present tense. Okay, the word which is written by the red color, it is a simple present tense. Okay, and the second example is, I read a book every week. Read, the word which is written in the red color, it is a simple present tense. Where we use simple present tense? We use simple present tense when we do work in your daily routine. In your daily routine, you use simple present tense. In your habits, you will use present simple tense. What is the present simple tense? Present simple tense when we talk about something we do all the time. When you repeat your work in every day, it means that here you will use simple present tense. It means that you go to school. Nowadays you are not going to school, but you go to school, or you can take the example of you get up early morning, or you get up at 10 o'clock, or you get up at 8 o'clock. Today's we have English classes in this week, so it's your routine right now that you must get up. You must get up at 8 o'clock. Okay, so you will use present simple tense. Which tense you will use? Present simple tense. It's your routine work. When do you get up? You can say that I get up at 8 o'clock. It's been your routine. That's why you will use present simple tense. Okay? In your routine work, you will use present tense. In your repetition of work, you will use present simple tense. In your habits, you will use present simple tense. Okay, students? In your repetition of work, you will use present simple tense. Okay, students, we use verbs in the simple present tense to give instructions. To give instructions. Instruction means when you advise something that you have to do this work. Okay, repetition of work, you take a bath twice a day, or repetition of work, you brush your teeth daily. Definitely, when do you get up, you brush your teeth definitely. So you will use present simple tense, and you will say that I get up at 8 o'clock, I brush my teeth. Okay, students, and if you offer namaz, you will use, how would you say that, if I ask to you, when do you offer namaz? Okay, so if you offer namaz punctually, so you will say that I offer namaz punctually. I offer namaz punctually. It means that you are using simple present tense. In which tense you will talk to me? In simple present tense, because I'm asking your repetition of your work, your daily work, which you perform daily. That's why I will ask to you. Um, I asked to you, when do you eat, when do you take your lunch? So you will use present simple tense, and you will answer to me, I have a lunch at whatever time you take. Okay, I take my lunch. Yeah, you can say that I have a lunch, like this. Okay, and if I ask to you, when do you sleep? Okay, I asked to you, when do you sleep? Because I'm asking your uh, habitual work. In your daily work, definitely you must sleep at night, Hana. So I'll ask to you, when do you sleep at night? When do you sleep at night? So you will answer me in the simple present tense. In which tense? Simple present tense. You will answer to me, and you will say to me, I sleep at whatever time you sleep, you will tell me. For example, at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, whatever time in which you sleep, you will say to me. You will say to me, you will say to me that on this time I sleep at I sleep at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, whatever time you sleep, you will say to me. Okay, but keep in your mind which tense you will use. You will use present simple tense. In present simple tense, you will definitely use the verb first form. Okay, first form of the verb you will use. Okay, whenever you ask to someone, you will be asked anytime if your habits, your daily routine, your repetition of work, you will be asked in the simple present tense. In simple present tense, you will be asked in which tense? Simple present tense. And definitely you will answer it in which tense? Simple present tense. Okay, if I ask to you, when do you sleep? Definitely, when do you sleep at night? You will answer in me in the simple, you will use simple present tense, and you will answer me that I sleep at which time you sleep? 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever time. It doesn't make matter now. So you will say to me, I sleep at 10 o'clock, for example. So you will tell me, I sleep at 10 o'clock, in which sleep is a simple present tense. Okay, and if I ask to you, if I ask to you, When do you have lunch? When do you have dinner? Or when do you take dinner? So you will answer me that I take dinner at 9 o'clock. I take dinner at 8 o'clock. In which time, whatever time do you take dinner, you will let me know that, teacher, I take dinner at 9 o'clock. Okay. And if I ask to you, when do you play in evening? Okay. So you will let me know that, teacher, play. I play in the evening at 5 o'clock. In which time, in whatever time you will play, so you will tell me that I play. You will use present simple tense. Why do you use simple present tense? Why you don't use another tense, future or another tense? No, because it's your daily routine. It's your daily work. It's your habits. You play in evening and a particular time. That's why you will use present simple tense. Okay, you will not any other tense. Whenever you will tell your habits, whenever you will repeat your work, whenever you will tell your daily routine, which tense you will use? Simple present tense. Good. Which tense you will use? Repeat again with me. Simple present tense. Okay. Okay, we use verbs in the simple present tense to give instructions. Okay, here we have instructions. Number one, throw the rubbish in the bag. I'm repeating, throw the rubbish in the bag. The word which is written by the red color, throw. Throw is the simple present tense. Okay, it is the first form of the verb. And whenever you give instructions to someone, you will use simple present tense. No any other tense you will use. You will use simple present tense. Okay? Wash your hands. Nowadays, everywhere you go, everywhere from everyone to ask that wash your hands after half an hour or after 2 hours. Some elders or anyone ask to you that go wash your hand. This sentence always come in your mind that wash your hands. Okay, so wash your hands is a simple present tense because you are going to instruct someone. That's why you are using simple present tense. Okay, now I'm sharing this picture with you. Let's have a look at page number 21 in your course book. Okay, I'm repeating you, don't take screenshots because it is in your course book. In your course book, okay, you can see the course book page number 21. So there is no need to take the screenshot. Okay, here you are the examples. Circle the verbs in the simple present tense. Circle the verbs in the simple present tense. Number one, I brush my teeth every day. Remember, I asked you that if you brush your teeth, it's your daily routine. It's your repetition of your work because whenever in every day you just get up and you brush your teeth. Okay, that's why you will use present simple tense. I brush my teeth every day. In which is simple present tense? You have to circle it. You have to circle it. You will do this work, I'm repeating, you will copy down this work in your English course book. So there is no need to take a screenshot because it's been mentioned or it's been given in your course book page number 21. Okay, you have this page. Okay guys, so there is no need to take the screenshot, but you have to do this work in your English copy. Okay, students, and you have to do yourself. I brush my teeth every day. Okay, I brush my teeth every day. Okay, Abdul Wasi, unmute yourself. Abdul Wasi, unmute yourself. Can you hear me? Okay, we wash our hands before meals. Meals. What does it mean, meals? Meals means when you eat something. Okay, meals means when you eat something. We wash our hands before meals. Okay, it's your instructions. Today's nowadays you have been instructed by your elders that wash your hands after half an hour. Wash your hands, but you should wash your hands before meals. Okay, you have to wash your hands before your meals. Okay, we wash our hands before meals. So here, what is the simple present tense? So you have to just circle it. Okay, in which I brush my teeth every day. Brush, you can circle brush. It is your simple present tense. Okay, we wash our hands before meals. Here, wash. Wash is the simple present tense. I'm repeating, you have to do this work in your English midterm copy. Okay, number three, drink some milk. Drink some milk is a instruction. Okay, read. Here we have read the instructions. Whenever you give instructions, you will use simple present tense. Through the rubbish in the bag, it is the instruction. You are going to instruct someone to throw the rubbish in the bag. Okay, wash your hands. You are going to instruct someone, wash your hands. Okay, and here drink some milk, it is the instruction. So what is simple present tense? Very good. Drink is a simple present tense. So you will have to circle drink, and you have to copy down this word in your notebook. Very good. Bring me a towel. It is also instruction. It is also instruction, because uh, you are going to instruct someone that bring me a towel. Or okay, bring is the bring is the simple present tense. So let's move on. And another activity. Remember students, there is no need to take screenshots, because this activity which is shown in your computer screen or your mobile screen, wherever this picture is shown, is been mentioned in your workbook, where it is in your workbook. Okay, circle the verbs, the simple present tense. Okay, number one, I run in the park. I run in the park. I'm repeating you, students. You have to copy down this work in your copy, in your English copy. Okay, or you can do this work in the workbook. In your workbook, I run in the park. I run in the park. Number two, in which what is simple present tense? You have to do yourself. I'm not make you under. I'm not telling you what is present tense. You have to do it yourself. Okay. Number two, the children eat ice cream. The children eat ice cream. In this sentence, what is simple present tense? In this, what is simple present tense? You better know that. So you have to do it yourself. Okay, number three, I make my bed. I make my bed. What is simple present tense? You better know that. So you have to do circle it yourself. Okay. Number four, comb your hair every day. Comb your hair every day. What is this? This is a simple present tense, but what is this? In this, it means that someone is going to instruct to someone else, comb your hair every day. Okay, it is the instruction. It is an instruction. It means that someone is instructing you that comb your hair every day. And what is simple present tense? I will not tell you, so you have to do it yourself. What is simple present tense? Okay, number five, fish live in water. Fish live in water. For example, uh, you live in your home. So where does fish live? You know that, where does fish live? Fish live in water. So what is simple present tense? You have to circle it. Number 6, I swim in the river. I swim in the river. What is simple present tense? You have to circle it. Okay. Okay, number 7. We listen with our ears. From where do you listen it? How do you hear? We hear through our ears. So we listen with our ears. Where it? What is simple present tense in which? You have to circle it yourself. Number 8. Babies cry when they are hungry. Babies cry when they are hungry. Where it is the simple present tense? Don't tell me. You have to do it yourself. Okay? Don't raise your hands. After the end of the lecture, I'll take your questions. Okay? Number 9. My father works in Sydney. Sydney is the city of Australia. Sydney is the name of place. It is the city of Australia. Okay. My father works in Sydney. Sydney is like a city name, like our Karachi. Okay. Where do you live? Karachi. If you say that my father works in Karachi, so similarly, Sydney is the name of place, city name. Okay. My father works in Sydney. Sydney. In which what is present tense? You have to circle it. Number 10. Pandas eat bamboo shoots. Pandas eat bamboo shoots. Okay. In which what is simple present tense? You have to circle it. So today we have done simple present tense. What is simple present tense? What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is whenever you will tell your daily routine, whenever you will tell your habits, whenever you will tell your repetition of your work, you will use simple present tense. Your daily routine. Your daily routine. What is your daily routine? You get up, you take bath, you brush your teeth, you take breakfast, you offer namaz, you watch TV, you operate computer. It's all about your daily routines. Whenever you will tell your daily routine, you will use simple present tense. Okay, I walk to school every day. I read a book every week. I take lecture online. You can say that. If I ask to you, when do you take your online class? So you will say that I'm giving you example. If I ask to you, when do you take your online class? Or if someone asks to you, when do you take your online classes? You will say that I take my online classes at 9 o'clock. Okay. Which tense you will use? Simple present tense. Whenever someone asks to you, if so, whenever if he is asking in your evening, okay, in evening or wherever time, in evening, in night, whenever someone is asking to you, when do you take your English classes? When do you take your English classes, online English class? You will say that I take my online English class. I take my online English class at 9 o'clock. Okay, students? Good. And when you give someone whenever you give instruction to someone, definitely you will use simple present tense. Nowadays you can hear every time wash your hands, or wash your hands, brush your teeth, comb your hair, like this now. So you can, or don't watch TVs, like this instructions. So you will use simple present tense. I ask you students, don't raise your hand. I let you know after the end of the lecture. Whatever you have questions, I'll ask to you. Okay, I'll let you know. Here you are the activities which is mentioned in your course book. you have to circle the simple present tense. Okay, here you are the activities. You have to you have to do this activity in your workbook. Or for the practice page number 10 in your workbook. Don't take, there is no need to take a screenshot. You can do this work in your workbook page number 10. Okay, page number 10, you can do this work. Okay, let's move towards here you are the home task. We are ending. Today we are ending this. You must have this page in your book, Huria Naeem. You must have this page on your book. Okay, if you got new book, so you must have this page which we have discussed. Okay, now I'm sharing the home task to you students. Today we have ended the lesson unit number 1. Okay, we have ended this. So after the unit, we will do the MCQs. Okay, MCQs, multiple choice questions. So you are supposed to take the screenshot by the help of your elders, and you have to do this work in your English copy. I'm repeating you students, you should take the screenshots of this page and do this work in your English copy and do it yourself, because we have done this unit. Okay, today we have ended this unit. We are going to end this unit, so you can do this home task at the end of the unit. I'm telling you, helps. Number 1, I'm repeating, I'm just reading it. Just listen it carefully and do it yourself. And where you will do it in the English midterm copy. Okay. Today we are going to end the unit. Number blank, to choose the correct answers. Blank helps us to see. What does help us to see? Okay, you better know that. Here you are the options. Here are in hand. So you have to choose one correct answer and write it over in the blank. Okay, student. Number 2, we have dash ears. 2, 3, 4. How many ears do you have? Okay, whatever ears you have to write it. Either 2, 3, or 4. You better know the answer so you can write it in the blank. Okay, feet help me dash. Okay, write catch or run. Where do feet help us? Write, catch, or run? You better know that, so you should write it. We can write, touch, and catch with our dash. We can write, touch, and catch with our nose, legs, hands. Okay, nose, hands, and legs. Number 5, a whisper or a dash cheer. A whisper or a dash cheer. Sad, happy, skip. Okay, a whisper or a dash sad, happy, or skip. You have to write it the correct one. Okay, I'm repeating you students. Take the screenshot by the help of your elders. Okay, my nose helps me dash things, touch, smell, and heart. Where does your nose help? Okay, take the screenshots. Next one. I hear with my dash hands, ears, nose. I hear with my dash hands, ears, nose. Choose the correct answer and write in the blank. Number 8. I have dash fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10, 9, or 8? Whatever fingers you have to write it over here. I jump and land on my dash hands, feet, and knees. Okay, he hops on one dash hand, nose, and feet. So students, today we end the units. Okay, take the screenshots